Coming up next.
Uzoshisa manje. Ngizwa. Bathi chop ezikwenye bafithile umliso nengqondo silufezela mshini over yasilomfana. Ngiyabonga ngifostanga futhi awuthi ngibeke ikepisi ngishintshe ngabe ngathi ngiyisoja ngiphindini from everything. Sharp kanjalo yabo. The way Ivory ngithanda khona bengizoyicabangela yonke but then anginanhluku enkulu at least iAlex naye umuntu uzoyicabangela yonke yabo.
Guys, if you know you know. If you know you know. I think Fezela is still kissing. Guys, don't say Soldier Man, whatever. Guys, hey, too much, but I'm excited, guys. I'm too excited because boy, when I too much. How too much in front of too much. I think you must stand,
As women lap.
Okay, I forgot to mention one thing, guys. You know, on the comment section on YouTube videos, they used to call Kagiso Mkhulisi Scorpo. That's why you say at least Alex was with. So, if you didn't catch that, at least I've explained, guys. The reason of doing this is to explain the video to you. Amen. Say man. It's your copy saying the killer of the hits. If you give me people probably give you a steak, you can call me Mr. No. Alright guys, in today's video, we are reacting on the Smash Up Pass Part 2, guys. The reason why I'm doing a video reaction on Part 2 because I know my viewers. On the first video you were not going to be interested, but I got you an interesting part, guys. So make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe on my channel and comment. Don't forget to share with your friends, family, everyone, guys. Let's get to 1K subs, guys. Please. And if I'm posting this one on the main channel, so let's get to 3K subs, guys. I hope you're going to like the video. Make sure you just chill, relax, like the video, subscribe, man. I don't want to waste your time. Alright guys, so today we are rating on Watermelon and Smiley Smash Up Pass. So guys, I'm about to start the video. Please guys, please guys, please. If I'm not doing this well, comment down below but if I don't, guys, keep on the fire emojis, guys. I'm about to start the video. I don't want to waste your time, guys. Like the video, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you do anything, guys. So let's get started.
As women lapha ningavula umnyango ngithi ngene umshini omlilo manje kuyashisa. Yeah,
that's a bar. That's a
nginombuzo for wena ne. Maba ngathi ngiyakulobola kini bazofuna malini?
Angazi.
Like estimates awungasa.
Boma million le.
ufuna ukuba istabana mara umphimba uvula. Kamala kubuhle abazali basili bangakubiza ngobuhle so. Manje ngitshele umubo rawuna choice.
Angazi webona
Ngela shop. Singaba rich ngebody count yakhe lo.
Usikhatsora phone ya. Usikhatsora phone
Uvithikile wena. Ngathi isikoropo sasesihogweni. Labo bethu ngishilo ngathi makhalada ahluphekayo. Apha wena ushort icela ubufebe nje kuphela.
Hey guys, I just saw the coming up. You see, this video is interesting, guys. That's what I want you to get, guys, man. Make sure you subscribe, man. Make sure you like the video. Shout out to Watermelon and Smiley. And now I'm about to tap into the full video, guys. Please bear with me, guys. Bear with me, I'm begging you, guys. Stay till the video ends. Don't forget to sub, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know waste your time and get to the video. This video is interesting.
Looking for better trading conditions?
Adverts.
Get a deposit bonus of up to 50%. 0%
Let me
commission.
skip the ads, guys. I'm so sorry.
Convenient payments.
I want you to
Get up to 50% on your deposit and trade. Join.
Sizosibona la ushiye inamba la siyethi ngayima kamba laba bazopapa kamba manje fike singahleba kamba
I'm sorry for wasting your time, yo.
ngayima kamba laba bazopapa kamba manje fike singahleba kamba manje sipitala no umayamba
Yo, it's in Helbo. Combo. Never was a papa that you combo. When you feel it's in a clever combo. As a speaker, then I will madam.
Talk to about the bitang the unknown. You're the mbashi. I want to do regular and get on 19 my man. Eh? Inye. Sfatho sa ise wo mile mobile sfatho sa hoba. There's no need for upikizana le nna.
Yeah, I see. Pass. Yeah,
There's no need more left.
Smash, ne? Fire. King of the Yannis.
Alwala wanyanga kuba sa wonga.
200k. Over check. 200k. 200k.
Bana gana re ba pika nke nyako go wena ba bona ba tsenelle sikup
yeah now
sila
yeah
o baba ku sexy njengam
Be patient. Be patient, guys. Please be patient. I feel like this guy is boring, but I saw the coming up the other guy that comes after next. Yeah, he's going to give you fire, guys. So yo nyangcela, guys. Yo.
Yo, I'm not energy today. What up, this is Ope Sugar the Joker, Jordan Killer. The cousin here, Wanaga Ramaphosa.
Ramaphosa. Shebangoya high. Yo, guys. Kungcono uyazibona. Yo. Emotional damaged for real, guys.
Batshela ukuthi ikhuphukile 500.
Nango umuntu emakasi omntana. Smash. Yo, banoskiphe late lesinko saba brown and siyashine. Yini ngobisi fish oil. Yini kamba. Si oil. Oh, okay.
Tona now.
Tolibuza. Usimesha machita ingaki la? Njelo thini ungazozenza toilet eserenkini ngeno nge3 rand.
Alright, this is way too personal, guys. So let's say renkeni. Ngeno nge3 rand. Oh, guys. Alright, but let's continue. Nah, guys. You. This you bros are you are too much. Yo, Ramaphosa.
So, to shift stealing. Usbeke ne? Yeah.
oh Ramaphosa
Right.
Imo before full mistake. 350 abaningi.
Ukraine. Ungawari uzothola 350 yakho ne? Maybe uzo control izinto zogeza nani ngichabana. That's it.
Sure.
Ukraine. Yo. Maningi ama mistake intwana.
akakana
Bheka. Into yokuqala ushange shop ngathi uminye ukufa. Yokusi 2 ngenhloko ngathi alien. Angazi ukuthi uphuma kweyiphi planet.
Wena uyiboni yawo. Oh, itse ntato ha fitla makavela ka bethola ke moya ngdala gore ho tonya o tsa fisa ka mo. O ka ruka ema man tillis mission pass di fela o itse fresh ends.
Alright, guys, nah. Shuthi vele impupula yakhe inkulu ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi vele mangangena ukuthi hu. Ayibusiswa come back, hayi.
Bheka ukuthi yelani iqala emva kwendlebe into yokuqala yini
Mara ke mraga mo.
eh
Ke mraga mo ulitsebe tsa.
ezakho ngezani
Ita wangithuza uzugaru
yaphapho yazi angazi
Wampapisa. Fita.
ngomzimba weblack label for
Ayishwapena kamnelo teke.
This is interesting, guys. Ads, guys, ads.
Bible.
Guys, this video is interesting. I'm sorry I've judged the first guy, but this video is interesting, guys. I'm sure you've seen for yourself. This video is interesting. Let's get it. Like the video, subscribe, comment, share, baby. How?
Lingazokunikeza imfene amazasi. Ufanele amaphoyisa manje. Like lazipha vele le mfene amazasi aziyacola. Alikho serious ni.
David, ikuntwana no. Fakuntwana no.
Shaphelela umoya. Oh, sila.
Yeah.
Sho bafethu chikechoza linothi hamba nabangabona ubani terminate.
Khativ. Yeah, in the
Banna.
Yeah, Smile Khativ.
Hey banna.
Yeah, ukhalile no. Smile Khativ.
Khalile vele mina.
Hayi kwasikhume la.
Ah, yabo.
Karen. Wentomazana. Ngibone ngathi isitabana. Yo. Igama lakho. Ubani? Ubani?
Nomvela.
Nomvela. Velo. Oh, usuzile urinuka so.
Guys.
Ungispray wena. Ngiyakubuza ngithi usuzile urinuka so.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Amungu.
Hello.
Karen.
Shabena.
Ubani igama lakho?
Noma.
Bani?
Noma.
Noma. Wena ngakhi?
Na 16.
16. Uyaphapha wena ushort igcwele ubufebe nje kuphela.
Kugcwele ubufebe. I felt that one. Yo.
Phasa ne. Hello. Karen. Bani igama lakho? Bani?
Ubush.
Phasa. Hello. Karen. Hey, usisilona mistake amabhaya lo.
One thing.
Usisi wakho lo ne. Labo yethu ngishilo ngathi makhalada ahluphekayo.
Aye, it's too much. As for Makalata Hluphekayo, it's too much, guys. Nah. That was a hit. Dog joke, I'll feel a joke. Joe. I can feel a boy. Aye.
Awufuna ukugayipona.
Amatos. One second.
So guys, isitabani lesi. Lo una mistake abhaya ne. Ufuna ukuba isitabana mara umphimba uvule.
Guys, what do you have to say about Terminator, guys? Terminator, boy. Aye. On, boy. Yatelela, boy. The heat. Not to pet him, boy. Yabatrap. Yes. Shit, I want a water.
Unakulela.
Nomzimba ngathi toothpick.
Yona yena mmilwayo kareleswana lela bathola ngisopo kalona.
Hayi bekumele
Guys, that was supposed to be funny, like for real, guys. Subscribe, guys, because nah.
elihlekise lento le.
Hayi lento esatheyisa. Ungalu nenzoyibeka
Ungalu lehloko ngathi uBrock Lesnar. Hello. Oh shit. Grand. Already uyibonile impilo lo. You've been through a lot ne. Sure. Pass. Respectful ne. Amarovichi yini.
Alright, guys, Terminator. Terminator, boy. Terminator. I give it to you, my boy. Aye. Why do they call you Terminator? Do you come Terminator? Alright, guys, this Terminator was in South Africa. Aye. Oh, blind, boy. How blind.
Why?
Oh, now. So,
Scoop man.
Yeah, still man.
Shapile relay, like relax. Relax. Crop top. Oh, you take crop top.
For ing wa bona wena wa thom IVP 012 tsa paper tsa be thantsha chok mo fati se ke tsa go jugo guys before thomane ke na le word of the day but mot all homophobic sura le wena okay especially mo ba shimaneng hello Dintang bana
Ngazongihlolela ungatshelo
ke a hlolela oh mi
Hey, beef, guys. This beef is heated. Heated beef, guys. Heated beef.
le shoti ya lenga vela ulibona kai o di teki tsa o fela quality feta o di o sharp manyeno ka re ngphofu wena tsa mo ntsha manyena ao a o tshwanne manyena ao ka re mme o mombiana o ya mo dendeng every time
wena SpongeBob ngazongiphaphela
sharp motsepe o sharp hey nna ke sharp guys o passing ne ka matswele a nariki hello Inge
abakuzwa kama uthi abheka inhlo yakhe ngathi nqinda umntwana
oh wow ungkwakulu hello usap hayi nna ke sapa o le lokfatso sabile
sekini bakuso
hayi pass hello
sure
usap hayi ke sha pass umene wa digepe ka o fela digepe o butse digepe mo otle mo digepe Inge oh wow wena o ka re box wena ya o ka re box ela wa ndalwang box ela for corner ibang
ape ona ne dick printing uipasenge
wena there's no need for give yona wena how we guy anyaki wena anyaki bona ibila e batho wena o mathwadi stop
Why fighting, guys? Why fighting? Like, I don't understand why fighting, but okay, don't chest. This is a game. Smash or pass, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. Smash or pass, I know, guys. It has too much violence, but we sorry.
I pass. Ask your papel. Hello.
Sure.
Usap. Pass. Hello. Intang.
Angekrend wena.
Kana no ring. Mina. Ke lebezur kana no ring. Kana no ring letswai letsang.
Tswai. Oh, ngisho le. Ba no crashela.
Fatho sa iso milo ka ra sa kamela.
Kamela ibheka kana lakho wayilisiwa.
Inge. Ayo ayeba wena. Eyo ayeba wena. Eyo ayeba wena wena o thought loop. Ayisa buena vele pass. Wena vele.
Sithi lishotelwa ikopu nayo la. Ikopu loplug.
amshaya spray
for in pass ne pass le ka mo pass awa yo akimatla
Terminator, guys. Ngitsini ngo Terminator. Hayi le twana le ya chisa.
bateng batho ba betere ndani bateng batho ba bangcono konje dan lena bateng batho ba bangcono dan lena you are not even worth it like awumo yes enye
ukhuluma isilungu zongathi uphumelele empilweni
wena wayemloma ona le two color o pink o black o kare o itsikeng ona le bolwetse ona le bolwetse ona le kana bolwetse ka Zulu ke eng kana bolwetse ka Zulu ke eng ona le ngula
wawujuluka
it's nature bona it's nature
one by one wawujulukile ubona ngathi uhamekile awusami kahle
mara lo mina ngibona lona ujulukile wafisa ngirikama wafisa
ebaba nimeni angithi sidlule isikhathi sakho
into yakho uthi
pass akerekile pass li 3
beba manu
enye hawu uskilwa mpana ke betha bebe
uthe into yakho
hello ukilwa mpana sato bolela ntho sa itse wena o mauto a left mauto a jikile lebeletse go plekeng e 1 wena tshantse ba o nyakele ditlhako tsa hao pila we o ringo ka ditsebe tsa o lapa pass ke feditse pass
More English.
Pass kaofela.
Pass. Selector.
Sikuphi? Jabi.
Ismail yagcizelela kaditsebetsa ulapha. Ismail wena usile boy.
Aye, chulani kanjalo ngena mina manje siyeli. Pantsu. Ntona yami.
Khambani ntona.
Smash ntona yami. Great. Mara ndawuvichikile twala. Ubani kabana?
No, ma.
Uyapema.
Yeah, nyapema, right?
Bafethu yabona sonke la shop. Singaba rich ngebody count yakhe lo.
We're traders. We were born for this.
Emotional damage, guys.
Born to thrive in chaos. To make bold decisions when everything is on the line.
No, man.
Ubani kama lakho?
Ubuhle.
Utheni kimi?
Ngitheni?
Ngithi utheni kimi? Yeah?
Ngitheni?
Yeah, utheni kimi?
Ngithe pass.
Uthe pass? Awufuni ngiphuphe kabi ne. Hayi mangilele nawe yo. Zikipani. Man. Ngcishu. Bheka ngathi isikhokho. Yes. Yeah, guys, emajimbosi niyambona lona ne? Yabona amagebe bafowethu ahlakaniphile. Ubonile ukuthi amanqaza amajita ayadura. Chol, abogel bo ma 60 rand. Yeah.
It's a wow.
Hlakaniphile wena. Yes.
It's a wow.
Bani kama lakho. Yo. Ayiwena uvichikile wena. Ngathi isikoropo sasesihogweni.
That was too much.
Yeah?
Lesa bakurupa ngayitholethe esekhaya ngisho.
Bekubuso bakho ngathi indololwana.
Hey guys, this video is interesting. Man.
Twale. Angidli chocolate box mina jam. Angidli chocolate box. Pantsu bafethu Mr. Chovicho. Twale.
Chovicho. Subscribe for Chovicho.
It's your boy Chopper the Slot. Chopper the Slot. So let's tell about
what's going on? Gay kapa. Oh, chocolate box, okay.
Hello. Njani? Nami ngisha. Bani. Smash. Hello. Njani? Nami ngisha. Bani kama lakho. Bani. Numbel. Afiri. Fere. Kamba. Oh shit. Anami mnandi Smash. Hello. Njani? Anami sharp. Mara mangibona wena angibi sharp. Yes, ngathi impompi yasekhaya. Yes. Hello. Njani? Anami ngisharp. Clean pace ne. Firi. Umnandi. Emshini njani? Bese kahle untwana mina ngimunderstand. Yeah. Untwana shoot my ukhama masendo ukhamana nepathu.
Yeah. Wow. That's why I choose
Hello. Njani? Nami ngisharp. Impress ne.
Ayikuye. Hayi utsamelona kadlali khona.
Ufezela ibhoza guys. Before singena nje kuye mara ngathi akukabi kuye ithi siqhubeke before ngijaha guys. Hey.
Hayi Smash.
Engashona yini? Sikuphi?
Iku ntombazana.
Oh mama, sawudlala. Nahan. Nayi. Mele tutu. Right. Ngisomele kamnandi ne. Mara pass. Alright. Ngiyaphila ubani igama lakho? What? Pass ne. Respectful. Alright. Why are you serious so? Yini uthukile? Okay, sharp pass. Alright. Smash ne.
I wish I could skip
Clean pass. Smash ne.
Multi-pass.
Alright.
Multi-pass.
Why? Awungikhazi man ngathi uyikhehla so.
Wena ngisho ukuthi ubuka yakho ngathi sikhoma se-dikis. Sikhoma se-dikis singenaphi manje?
Alright. Ngicela kamnani mara kokota yakho ngathi phanchile boy. Mara yona yini? Ithi ngikucela. Okay, baby stop.
Yo.
Hello, Rex. Sure. 100%. Okay. Pass. Alright. Pass. Pass. Respectful. Smash.
Maybe ngafuna ukupheswa le mara ayifeli. Ngena umshini ke manje umshini uyishintshayo ushintsha amagi. Yeah. Okay, sisimbone ukuthi uze ngani usiphatheleni this time.
Shinomlilo manje kuvutha kakhulu.
Can you spell Candy Crush backwards? Oh, Rock. Wait.
Uzoshisa manje. Bathi chop phezulu kwenye wafithile umliso nenqondisile ufeze lamshini ovuyasile umfana. Ngiyabonga ngifostanga futhi awuthi ngibeke ikepisi ngilishintshe ngabe ngathi ngiyisoja ngiphinde uniform everything. Sharp kanjalo yabo. The way Ivory ngithanda khona bengizoyicabangela yonke but then anginanhluko enkulu at least iAlex naye umuntu uzoyicabangela yonke yabo.
Guys, if you know you know. If you know you know. I think Fezela is still dissing Kagiso Mkhulisi and Bongani. Sure. Hey guys, don't say hey, soldier man or whatever. Hey guys, hey, too much, but I'm excited, guys. I'm too excited because boy, when I too much. How too much in Fanaka, too much. I think bakubone mastandi lo, yeah.
Asiphume lapho.
Okay, I forgot to mention one thing, guys. You know, on the comment section on YouTube videos, they used to call Kagiso Mkhulisi Scorpo. That's why he's saying at least ikhona umuntu onenhloko enkulu Alex okwazi ukuyicabangela yonke. So, if you didn't catch that, at least I've explained, guys. The reason of doing this is to explain the video to you. I hope you are liking the video and subscribing. Comment anything, guys. Just comment okusalayo.
Ngingavula umnyanga ngithi ngene umshini omlilo manje ngiyashisa.
That's a bar.
Awungenzile. Awuvule intwana yami ungasabi. Yashisa, Exeo sharp.
Shapana.
Ubani kam?
Nomvelo.
Hi Brian lo. Ushap.
Shapana.
Ngikhuluma nawe ungakhulumeli emazinyweni. Ushap.
Ngishapana.
Ubani kam?
Nomvelo.
Ubani?
Nomvelo.
Sengibona ngamashuti ukuthi uyintombazana. Otherwise bingithatha njengomchita wami yabo. Wena uyi definition
Guys, DROP. If you know, you know, guys. I feel bad for her, guys. Maraish. Special Pass is just a content, it's just a game, so don't take it personal.
Okay, baby, stop.
Yeah, it's not nice. I told you can eat small bites, mix them together, make something like porridge.
Okay, Asiko lapho. Hello. Ushap.
Sharp wena.
Ngishap ubani kam?
Unoma.
So like nginombuzo for wena ne. Mabangathi ngiyakulobola kini bazofuna malini?
Angazi.
Like estimates awungasabi.
Boma million le.
Oza la ngikutshela amanye amajita ayithola nge-50 rand kimi ufuna ukuyithola nge-1,000,000 ungazongidakela.
Ya ufake ivobo uyahlanya hayibo miliyoni bana
Iningi 50 rand nangesikoloto usayitholile mawumubi.
You know one thing about umshini guys, he's the best guys. I don't care who says what.
Hello Sharp. Uphendula umbuzo Sharp. Ngiyabuya kungawari. Ngisayisevile yakho Sharp. Konje bothi amakhalata enzeni ahluphekile. Hayi ungawari akusikhalata lihluphekile umlungu phela ikhala.
Jidi ba.
Emfethu ke wabona okay like ucho mi Priam ne but then ngizokhuluma something angazi izomthatha or angeke imthathe. Yabona the way ni khama ngakhona i string nasty pressure thina abafana cause nivele niyenza ibe so. Na ini Chomi akafuna sibona into yakhe naye. Chomi usikhatsora for
guys, if you know you know, if you have seen the layer pick layer bakhame Ishandis maybe uveza yona. Hi guys man, subscribe man now man.
Usikhatsora phone yakho. Ari chase okay akhuleka sizofaka isombe sepipi yakho la ungawani. Sizodila nawe. Hey boy. Asikho lapha. Khona yozene garlic la or khona fry garlic.
Nae wena kaniwena waphapha. Last time.
Awuthi la. Ngisengiyabuya kuwe next time unganuka igarlic.
Yeah, it's not nice, Papa. I told you, you can eat more white with Papa.
Hey guys, I felt that one guys. I felt that one guys. Whoa. But this is just a game guys. Just bear in mind that this is a game guys. Don't take things personal. I hope that girl is trending and I hope she's making money out of this content guys. Because but at least now you're famous.
Excellent. Ushap. Ubani kam?
Melo.
Ubani?
Melo.
Ngicela igama lakho. Thando. Ungaphinda ufaka amazaza cause manje ubukeka njengempukane edakwe idumu ne. Asikho la bathi chopes kwenye bafethi lo mliso nenqondesi lufezela mshinovia silo mfana. Ingathi niyangikhohlwa ngisasekhona ngiyaphila ngiyangithola. Sure. Akusinoma ubani.
Batho ba nnuka le
Shout out to Watermelon. Shout out to you, Watermelon, for doing that. Shout out to you for doing that. Actually, you are the nicest person ever. Shout out to you.
Lo me again though. My chance. Chudan, ukhuluma mina manje phela. Baba. Chudan lapho. Baba bafeshi. Alomntana uphelile nje yami. Alomntana uphelile nestraat sase Ivory siyazidlela la. Yo, awuphelile. Konje uthobani igama lakho? Ubuhlo mubi. Mina ngiyazidlela kuwe bekubuso bakho. Yo, beka ubuso bakho ngathi uyifishi. Usho nje. Ufuna uthi igama lakho ubuhle. Abazali basili bangakubiza ngobuhle so. Manje ngitshele umubo rawuna choice.
Sivalile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Oh, to 500. Azobatshela mfoka baba, azobatshela mfoka baba.
Unayo la 500 gayela sifuna ukumela. Ningasifalile.
Siyeke YouTube master.
Guys, this was too much. This was too much, guys. So make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. My name is Kopiya Sere, insane the killer of the hits. If you give me people, come give me a steak. You can call me Mr. No. See you on the next video, guys. Salute.